Once, Britain ruled the roads. Our cars were not just vehicles, they were symbols of British ingenuity, craftsmanship, and style, admired the world over. In the 1950s, over half the world's cars were British-made, from the humble Morris Minor to the luxurious Rolls-Royce. British factories buzzed with activity, producing vehicles that set the standard for quality and design. Our automotive industry was a source of national pride and identity, woven into the fabric of everyday life and celebrated at home and abroad. But golden ages fade, complacency, poor management, and fierce foreign competition eroded our dominance. The world changed, and we struggled to keep up. By the 2000s, most iconic British brands were gone or foreign-owned, and our global market share had plummeted. The industry that once led the world was now a shadow of its former self. By 2024, Britain's share of global car exports was just 3.75%. The numbers told a stark story of decline and lost opportunity. The decline forced a reckoning. How did the nation that gave the world the Mini and Land Rover fall so far? What went wrong, and could we ever recover? Mass production became the realm of global giants. We couldn't compete on volume or cost. The world's automotive landscape had shifted, leaving us behind. For a while, a revival seemed impossible. The future looked uncertain, and hope was in short supply. But Britain's strength has always been innovation, ideas born in sheds, workshops, and university labs. Our inventors and engineers never stopped dreaming. Instead of chasing volume, a new strategy emerged: focus on high-value, cutting-edge technology. We began to carve out a new identity in the global market. The key to this comeback? Artificial intelligence, a tool that didn't even exist in our heyday, but now offers a path to a brighter, more competitive future for British automotive engineering. At the heart of this new era of engineering innovation is Monolith AI, a company powered by algorithms, not assembly lines. Monolith is redefining how technology and human expertise come together to solve some of the toughest challenges in automotive design and manufacturing. Founded in 2016 as a spin-out from Imperial College London, Monolith's mission is to empower engineers with AI, no data science degree required. The company brings together world-class expertise in engineering, artificial intelligence, and software development to create tools that are accessible to all. Dr. Richard Alfeld, with a PhD in flight physics and experience at NASA, saw engineers drowning in data, but lacking tools to make sense of it. He recognized that the sheer volume of information was overwhelming and traditional methods simply couldn't keep up. Monolith AI was built to solve this last-mile problem, turning mountains of test data into actionable insights. By transforming raw numbers into clear guidance, Monolith helps engineers make smarter decisions, faster. Imagine developing a new car part, hundreds of tests, thousands of simulations, endless data. Each result adds complexity, making it harder to find the best solution. Traditionally, this meant trial and error and slow analysis. Engineers would spend countless hours sifting through spreadsheets and charts, hoping to spot patterns or anomalies. Monolith's platform changes everything. It uses AI to analyze past data and predict outcomes for new designs, guiding engineers on what to test next. This dramatically reduces the time and effort needed to reach optimal results. It's not about replacing engineers, but augmenting their skills, freeing them from repetitive analysis. Now they can focus on creative problem-solving and innovation, rather than manual data crunching. The platform is intuitive, letting experts in aerodynamics or materials use machine learning without coding. Even those with no background in AI can harness its power to improve their work. This democratization of AI is Monolith's core philosophy. By making advanced technology accessible, Monolith ensures that every engineer can contribute to innovation. Now, prediction and optimization are in the hands of those building the cars. The people closest to the challenges are empowered to solve them directly. Engineers can innovate faster and smarter. Collaboration becomes seamless, and ideas move from concept to reality with unprecedented speed. Monolith bridges the gap between complex engineering and AI, making advanced analytics part of everyday workflows. It's a new kind of power tool for the digital age, one that amplifies human ingenuity, and it's changing how cars are designed, tested, and built, ushering in a smarter, more efficient future for the entire automotive industry. How does Monolith work in practice? Take a car engineer designing a new suspension part. The old way: build, test, tweak, repeat, costly and slow. With Monolith, engineers feed historical test and simulation data into the platform. The AI learns the physics, material behavior, and design performance relationships. Now, hundreds of virtual prototypes can be tested in minutes. The platform predicts performance and guides engineers to optimal solutions. It flags anomalies, optimizes test plans, and reduces unnecessary physical tests. R&D cycles shrink from months to weeks, costs drop, and engineers can take bigger risks, pushing for real breakthroughs. With AI as their digital spanner, engineers move from incremental tweaks to bold innovation. The real test of any technology is in the field. Nissan partnered with Monolith AI to streamline development of the electric Leaf. Electric cars demand relentless optimization. Battery, weight, aerodynamics. Monolith's AI let Nissan predict performance without building endless prototypes, cutting testing costs by 17%. The success was so clear, Nissan aimed for a 30% reduction in future projects. Monolith proved AI could deliver real, measurable benefits, even in mass-market car manufacturing. Monolith's reach extends to the highest levels. Formula One. Teams like Aston Martin F1 use Monolith to analyze terabytes of simulation and wind tunnel data, finding performance gains others miss. The platform accelerates development of critical aerodynamic parts. Monolith's client list includes BMW, Honeywell, and Vertical Aerospace, which is building electric flying taxis. It's also helping predict battery life with About Energy, saving car makers millions. From race cars to flying taxis, Monolith's AI tackles the toughest engineering challenges. Its versatility is reshaping industries far beyond automotive. Monolith's story is rooted in Imperial College London, a powerhouse for turning research into real-world impact. For decades, Imperial has been a driving force behind some of the UK's most transformative innovations, nurturing ideas from the classroom to the marketplace. Imperial fosters an entrepreneurial culture, supporting spin-outs with funding, mentorship, and access to a vibrant network of industry leaders and alumni who are eager to help the next generation succeed. Its AI expertise is world-class, with over 250 professors and a focus on interdisciplinary collaboration. Researchers work across departments, blending their knowledge to tackle complex challenges. Early grants and Imperial's reputation attracted millions in venture capital, fueling Monolith's growth and enabling rapid development of cutting-edge technologies. The university's brand gives startups credibility and access to global investors, opening doors that might otherwise remain closed. Imperial's School of Convergent Science brings together experts from engineering, computer science, and medicine, creating a unique environment for breakthrough discoveries. This cross-pollination drives hybrid solutions, like Monolith's blend of engineering and AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. By breaking down academic silos, Imperial is at the heart of the UK's high-value tech strategy, shaping the future of innovation and entrepreneurship. It's the launchpad for Britain's AI-driven industrial revival, inspiring a new era of progress and opportunity. Britain's high-tech resurgence is no accident. It's a perfect storm of strengths. The UK is now the world's number 3 AI power, specializing in AI for real-world engineering. British universities excel in probabilistic AI, ideal for engineers working with messy, incomplete data. London's AI Talent Hub sits close to Motorsport Valley, home to F1 teams and advanced manufacturers. This proximity fuels rapid innovation. Engineers bring tough problems, AI experts deliver solutions. The UK's strategy is clear: lead in high-value, deep-tech engineering, not mass production. Monolith's acquisition by US giant CoreWeave for hundreds of millions is proof the world is watching. Britain's quiet AI revolution is making global waves. Monolith is just one star in a growing galaxy of British AI startups. Companies like Polaron use AI to boost battery performance, impacting a third of global EV production. Physics X, now a unicorn, accelerates engineering simulations. Breathe Battery Technologies powers Volvo's cars with AI-driven battery management. Each startup targets a tough engineering problem with unmatched sophistication. Success breeds more startups, talent, and investment, creating a world-leading cluster. Britain isn't just producing AI stars, it's building an entire constellation. The future of British car manufacturing is bright and smarter than ever. Monolith's acquisition by CoreWeave supercharged its reach, putting British AI tools on a global stage. The next leap, robotic labs where AI designs and runs experiments, collapsing years of development into days. Britain's comeback won't be about volume, but about exporting innovation, algorithms, and engineering genius. Our factories will be smaller, cleaner, and infinitely smarter. Monolith's story is a blueprint for a new industrial strategy, one built on universities, heritage, and relentless innovation. The roar of assembly lines is gone, replaced by the hum of servers. With AI at the wheel, Britain's car industry isn't just back, it's driving into the future.